Hi guys, welcome back to the technical charts analysis section. Again, for the last two market days, we had a very good analysis and also very accurate outcomes from currencies and also from commodities. For Monday itself, we were looking at the US dollar to be weak during the Asian trading session. So the sentiment was bearish and it followed through all the way towards the US trading sessions on Monday, and it found some support. And towards Tuesday, which was just yesterday, we were looking at the US dollar index to have some recovery. Okay, and of course it did recover, had a bit of retracement and ended yesterday's session on a marginally higher note. Okay, so again for yesterday, we can see that the US dollar index strengthened in the Asian trading session, and then it weakened during the UK trading session, and it found some strength again during the US trading session. So up, down, up. So let us have a look and see at the UK pound, which should show us should show the UK pound moving down, up and down. Okay, so here we go. So true enough, again the timings are all there. This is 4 plus 5, this is 9 a.m. So the UK pound moves down from 1.2513 all the way to a low of 1.2461, going down about 51 pips here, and towards the UK trading session. Okay, it started quite early, 1200 hours. 12 plus 5 is 17, which will be 5 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. Starts to move up. Even if you didn't catch these first two hours of movement, you could have went in again at 7 p.m. over here at about 1.2495, and the UK pound strengthens further to a high of 1.2593. Okay, so morning session, UK pound moving down about 50 pips. During the UK trading session, the UK pound moves up from 1.2462 all the way to a high of 1.2592. Okay, so during the UK session, the UK pound strengthened about 130 pips, and towards the late US trading sessions, it retraced back down another 50 pips. Okay, so currently found some support. Currently the sentiment is marginally bullish. However, be very careful. There's a high chance it can come back down to test this resistance, or even come back lower. Okay, so US dollar marginally bullish, meaning that the UK pound should be marginally bearish. Okay, so moving on to the euro dollar, pretty much the same story for the euro dollar. On Monday itself, the euro dollar strengthened quite a lot, about 100 pips against the US dollar, as the US dollar was weakening throughout the whole Monday. Okay, so after Tuesday morning's test again at this resistance, it forms a double top, and then it comes down from 1.1327 all the way to a low of 1.1259. Okay, so it came down about 68 pips in the Asian and UK trading session, and then towards the US trading session, it strengthened back up about 45 pips, and currently it has gone quiet over here. Okay, so that was for the US dollar, the UK pound, and also for the euro dollar. Let us have a look at gold prices. Gold prices was pretty exciting also, as gold prices was moving up on a Monday as the US dollar was weakening. So of course the US dollar weakening is just part of the reason why gold prices went up. So gold prices was strengthening on a Monday, consolidated on Tuesday Asian trading session, came back down first. Okay, came back down to test this consolidation range, and towards the evening sessions, okay, again at 14 plus 5, which is 19, 7 p.m., the gold prices moved up from 1,776 all the way to a high of 1,797. Okay, went up about 21 US dollars. Currently it's gone a bit quiet. but the sentiment for gold prices is still largely bullish. Okay, so just now we mentioned for the US dollar, got to watch out for it because of course for yesterday we can see the UK pound and also the euro dollar. Initially for the UK pound strengthening and then coming back down, and for euro dollar it is still testing this support level now. So if the US dollar manages to strengthen further, we should see the UK pound pushing down and also the euro dollar pushing down. Okay, but we'll have to look and see later on in the afternoon during the UK trading session and also during the US trading session. So so this was for gold price movement yesterday, and silver was mirroring the movements or the general direction of gold, where silver prices came down in the morning from $18.32 all the way to a low of $17.97. Found a very good support, and towards 7 p.m. it starts to push back up. Okay, pushing back up about 31 cents. So yeah, currently it's gone quiet and it's also testing this resistance. So let us have a quick look at oil prices. So tonight we will be having the crude oil inventories data. Markets are expecting crude oil supplies to contract by 3.2 million barrels. So whether the actual data is good or bad, always look back at the technical charts. So technical chart wise, on the 1 hour candle, it is in the consolidation phase for the last 2 days, actually for the last 3 days also. And on the H4 charts, it looks like it was going up. Okay, it was going up. However, it's been going up for some time. There's a high chance it could be pushing back down. Okay, so on the H4 charts, we are looking for it to come back down to test this support at $40. And back on the H1 charts, this is where it may come back to the first target price. Okay, so oil prices, I'm looking at it for possibly a mild bearish move going down. Okay, so and a quick look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 for yesterday wasn't really moving much. It was still in a consolidation phase, and towards the US trading session, the S&P 500 pushed back down. Okay, again the major factors or news affecting the sentiment or the movements of currency prices, commodities such as gold, and also the stock markets are the coronavirus issue in the US, and also reportedly in Australia, in Victoria, and also in places like India. The numbers are rising. India has overtaken Russia as the third highest country with coronavirus cases. And of course, the second major factor would be the situation between China after imposing the Hong Kong security laws. Especially countries like US are looking to impose certain sanctions to sort of punish China for imposing those national security laws. Okay, so things are going to get a bit dicey moving forward, and but regardless of the events or news or what happens, as long as you pay attention to the technical charts analysis, the price action, the support and resistances, the 1 hour charts, the H4 charts to understand the bigger picture, and specific time zones, specific timings to understand where the major move will push the prices. Okay, so that will be for today. I hope you guys again were trading pretty okay for yesterday and also for Monday. And well, just a bit of note, would you guys be interested in further education and knowledge? If you do, please put a comment below that you may be interested, and I'll get back to you on the latest updates regarding our training and education modules. Okay, so have a good trading day ahead, and I will see you again tomorrow.